Authorities are negotiating with a man who may have taken a number of people hostage.
The news is filled with stories about criminal activity that affect our safety and security. Disturbed people have attacked houses of worship, schools, and businesses. This video describes the proactive measures we can take to make life safer. The security systems that we focus on are IP camera systems, door access control, intercoms, and paging. The original surveillance systems, CCTV, were all connected by coax cables. And in 1996, Axis introduced a kind of revolutionary new IP camera. The IP camera connected to the network and didn't need coax cable anymore. You could record the video on your computer. It's interesting that since the beginning of CCTV, we've always recorded video, maybe for 30 days or another period, and then if there was a problem, that's when we would review it. The latest IP cameras have some intelligence, and this allows them to provide immediate notifications of certain types of alarms. These cameras can detect things like objects or people crossing a line. They can detect if someone leaves an object or even takes an object. It also can respond to gunshots or a person screaming. All the alerts go right to the security person's monitor so he can react quickly. The new camera models include higher resolution, and this means you can see things in a wider area at the same clarity. Door access control allows you to define who can enter a door and when they can enter the building. The original door access control systems required many wires that ran from a central controller. The new access control systems connect directly to the network. They use power over Ethernet, much less wiring, and are much easier to install. In these new reader controller systems, everything is right at the door. There's a pigtail that controls the electric lock and all the sensors. There's another version of the controller at the door, which allows you to select a reader of your choice, including one that uses a mobile phone as the credential. The new smartphone type credential is really nice. You can actually use your hand that you wave over the reader, and that opens the door. The more advanced access control systems allow you to control what floor a person can go to. There's a reader placed right in the elevator. The new paging systems and intercoms also connect to the network. The new speakers and intercoms use PoE. Makes it very easy to install. You can make a page to just one speaker or all across the campus. One of the nice things about these IP paging systems is that you can use automation. You can push a button and tell everyone that there's a fire or to exit the building. The new apartment or multi-tenant intercoms are very nice for controlling visitors to your building or organization. These new intercoms allow the visitor to select from a list of tenants and then contact them. The tenant can answer them using their smartphone and then see who's at the door. Since these intercoms are wireless, they're very easy to install. All these systems can be integrated. This makes for a much more effective safety system that provides increased security. Providing integrated systems provide increased security. First line of defense is access control, because it makes sure only the right people enter the organization. Our second line of defense uses intercoms to control visitors. Our third line of defense uses IP camera systems to monitor and secure entrances and see what's going on across the organization. Our fourth line of defense is the paging system. We want to keep everyone informed of any emergency or general announcement. If you need help selecting the right security systems, please contact us. We're at 914-944-3425 or on the web at contronics.com.